Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A22, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Battery and Device Care. Samsung is really nice at hiding their storage. As you can see, it's right over here. And once you find it, scroll down and we should find our SD card somewhere here. No, there we go. There's our SD card, and looks like we have to tap on 3 dots, go to Advanced, and from there SD card, and you will find a format option here. When you tap on it, it does give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, then simply tap on Format SD card and the process will begin. Now this only takes a couple seconds, at which point, once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Click on Done, leave the place, and you're done with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.